So in case you've never heard of Replica surfaces, this is super great for people that do a lot of different photography things. So like I make a shit ton of mocktail recipes, go check them out. And I'm always trying to figure out like new exciting places to shoot my photos, but that's okay. That's why these exist. Hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Amara Andrew, and today I'm telling you about this giant zit that I have on my cheek. Just kidding. It is massive though. I seriously, oh my God, it's huge. It's Mount Vesuvius. Maybe Patricia? Patty? No, not Patty. Pimp. It's my pimp. Anyway, so besides my pimple, I'm also super excited because I just got this giant box in the mail. Yay! I like don't even know where to put it. It's so big. Ah! So Replica surfaces are super awesome because I think they actually wash off really easily in case you like spill anything or just put stuff on it. It's also a great way to just change up your space and everything. And like, contrary to how big this box is, they're not actually like this big, and they're just like nice thin. They're kind of like matte board a little bit. So yeah, it's a great way to just kind of change up your vibe and your look and everything and your aesthetic. So I'm super excited to be opening these and then just kind of sharing my first thoughts and first opinions. Anyway, let's just get right to it. Okay, here is the box. The box is actually really nice. Like, I love that they designed the actual box itself. Like, it just looks really pretty and you can tell immediately what it is, which is really nice. I got my skizzies. Let's cut right in. Okay, so I choppy-choppied it, so let's see what's inside. It's like a giant book. It's so exciting. Ooh, oh, bubble wrap. Oh my God, I love bubble wrap. I remember when I worked in retail, it was like the most fun thing to get shipments in. Like, we would take all the bubble wrap that came in the boxes, and we would always like put it on the floor and then just like run over it back and forth like, ah! So yeah, I look back at those memories very fondly. I miss you, bubble wrap. Maybe that's why I have this giant zit. I don't think I've rubbed bubble wrap on my face, but who knows? Maybe I have. Hee hee. Ha ha. Let's just dive right in. Ah! So already the packaging is super nice and sturdy. It looks like in here, oh, how cute. So there's this little secret compartment that says, psst, your stands are in here. And then here they are. They're just like stuck with tape right in here. That's so cute. Oh, how nice. So this is what the little stands come in. So this is how you keep your surfaces attached to one another. This is like, they're little corner brackets. So then, here, let me just show you. So this is what they are. They kind of almost look like when you like go to the dentist and you get your teeth, like the mold taken or whatever. So you put your boards in here and then in here. So then you have like your whole little nice setup. So you put them on either side to keep your boards up. And there's also a little like instruction thing on the back that just tells you how to use them. So there is this little booklet on like introducing you to your surfaces, then a little thing about the rewards program. Ooh, I love this on the back. Doesn't that look so nice? It just looks like very 70s chic. It makes me think of Aviator Nation a little bit too. Love it. I love the sticker. How cute. And you can already see the design coming through over here, so I cannot wait to get this covering off. I always feel bad on packaging. I never want to like rip the sticker in half or anything. Drum roll, please. Ta-da! Ooh, pretty. So the first one that I got is Slate. I really like dark colors in photos just because it makes certain colors pop a little bit more and it's just a nice dynamism. Our counters in the kitchen are white, so I thought that this would be like a super nice addition to that, just have like a little bit of differentiation. So yeah, it's about 1/4 inch thick. It's really light actually. I was thinking it was gonna be a little bit heavier. But yeah, it's just like a piece of like poster board kind of. A little heavier than poster board because it's nice and sturdy, but it's not like ridiculously heavy. I'm so curious to see how this looks on film though, because like when you look at it in person, like you can tell it's not really slate. Like it's obvious, of course. So yeah, I'm super curious to see what it looks like when I actually start taking photos. So we're gonna get to that. So the other one I got is called Smoke. Oh my god, I love this design, this background. I don't know why, I think I'm going through like kind of a 70s design vibe or like phase, which I've never gone through before. I've actually always hated the 70s, but oh my god, I like love that. Like that would be fun for a photo in and of itself. So this is smoke. Oops, holding it upside down. So this is smoke. So smoke is like a nice light kind of gray. It has a little bit of kind of like smoky marbling to it, so you get some shadows and highlights and everything. I'm very happy with them. Like they look really nice, and I can see how they're going to look really great on film as well. I keep saying on film, but in photos, like I can see how they're going to look really, really awesome. So myself and my pimp are going to set these up, and then we're going to shoot some photos and see how they look. Okie dokie. So now I'm going to try to assemble these and just see how easy it is. I'm just going to grab my little replica stands and then give it a whirl. Let's just plop this on here. It is a little tricky to get these on. They're nice and snug, which is good, but I'm a little hesitant because I don't want to damage the edges of my surface at all. Let's see. There we go. Just kind of slide that on. Okay, cool. They're both on. Pew pew pew! Pew 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 pew! Woohoo! Now I'm going to actually follow the directions and put the back part on now. I'll start with this side. Okay, cool. I got it. So yeah, this will just take a little bit of practice, but otherwise it was really easy to do. Then here is the finished surface. Ta-da! Unfortunately, there is that little gap down here. That's a little odd. So Jeff just told me what I was doing wrong, which is really helpful. So it's because I have the back behind the front part. So I'm gonna move that to be in front of the front instead of in back of the front. Anyway, so it was entirely user error, which I thought so, because I thought these are so nicely made that they wouldn't fuck anything up. So I'm gonna fix that right now. Oh my god, I'm such a ding dong. So now it looks absolutely perfect. See? No crack. So even though I read the directions twice, I still did it wrong. So thank you, Jeff. So since I'm gonna be using the Replica mostly for like my mocktail recipes and other kind of food recipes, and also my stickers in my Etsy shop, I'm just gonna try to shoot a couple different drinks right now. Nothing spectacular or special or anything, but just to get an idea of what it feels like to shoot on it. I just snapped a couple really quick shots with my iPhone just now, just to kind of get an idea and a feel for what it's like to shoot on these surfaces. So what I like about them is that they are so compact and narrow and small, so they'll be great for storage. It won't really be like too much of a hassle to put them away. Their compactness, however, can also be a little difficult just because they are very thin. I'm used to shooting in our kitchen when I shoot recipe photos, so I'm used to having a little bit more real estate to work with. These are going to be a little bit more challenging to shoot with just because they are so thin, but that said, that's not necessarily going to be a bad thing. I was just shooting in portrait mode, and it looks really nice. Cute photos! So those are just like fine photos. Obviously, if you do like change your lighting around a little bit, I was just using our window light right now, just to kind of get an idea of what it looks like. And then if you make a little bit more of a dynamic kind of scene, it'll look super awesome. So these are actually great. So some pros and cons that I can immediately think of. Pros are that they are so compact, which is really nice, like I said, just to put them away. They wipe off really clean too, which is nice. That's like one of their main things. That's one of their main selling points. So if you want to get a little messy with your food photos and stuff, it's like super awesome for that. You can throw syrups everywhere and you're like fine. They clean right off. They fit together super well if you do it right. So that was totally user error. But yeah, like you cannot see a gap. I'm also very curious to see how the black looks as the background, because I actually think that would have looked better with this drink, but we're just gonna go with it for now. So I'm so used to using foam core when I wanna have like a moody kind of backdrop. I've used plants, I think, to hold it up, so that presents a lot of challenges. So being able to have this nice backdrop that you can just like set up like this and it's just there and you don't have to worry about it falling down or knocking down your whole little display or anything. All that to say, it's gonna be super nice to just have this just standing on its own as an autonomous kind of being. Some cons, they are a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie. That said, I can see myself ordering more replicas in the future. I think I will. This looks so good, I just wanna take a sip. Oh, I forgot to bring up price. So the smoke, this was $79. The slate was $77. And then the replica stands are $26. And the nice thing about the stands is that they're totally, oh, my laptop looks huge. They're totally reusable, so you can use them for any of your other replicas. So these have just been some of my thoughts, feelings, ideas about replica surfaces. Like I said, I'm also gonna use these for my Etsy shop just to have as like a nice little flat lay. Ooh, flat lays are gonna be really fun with these. If you have a replica surface, maybe drop some tips that you have in the comments below. That'll do it for me today, but I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!